Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the connection problem with the smart TV. Run a speed test and confirm at least 5 Mbps for HD streaming. Check whether other apps stream on the TV to isolate YouTube-only issues. Power cycle the router and modem by unplugging for 30 seconds, then plug back in and wait 2 minutes. Verify the TV connects to the 5 GHz or 4 GHz band correctly and check distance from the router. Next, address software issues that commonly cause network errors on YouTube. Update the YouTube app via the TV App Store before other troubleshooting steps. If an app update fails, uninstall and reinstall the app, then relaunch. Install the TV firmware update if available, then restart the television to ensure system stability. Finally, clear the YouTube app cache or data in the TV settings menu to remove corrupted files and if problems persist, try advanced network steps to restore streaming. Change the TV DNS to a public resolver such as 8.8.8.8 and test playback again. Temporarily connect the TV with an Ethernet cable to check for Wi-Fi issues. Factory reset the TV only after backing up settings and signing out of accounts to avoid data loss. Contact your ISP if speeds remain below 3 Mbps or you observe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.